New York never sleeps. Key. But under its streets, something else moves in the dark. A train no one scheduled, passengers no one remembers, and a detective chasing a mystery buried for 30 years. This is the Ghost Train, a story of vengeance, corruption, and secrets that refuse to stay dead. Car. The subway hums after midnight. Empty platforms, flickering lights. A chilling urban legend whispered among workers the ghost train appears at 3 a.m., then vanishes, along with anyone who boards it. Gere. On a freezing night in January 2025, Detective Sam Carver watches grainy footage. An unmarked train glides through an abandoned tunnel impossible. Faces stare from inside. By morning gone, all that remains is a cracked pocket watch, engraved with a name from a decades-old cold case. Vincent Cole murdered in 1995. Case unsolved. Carver digs through archives, files, maps. Each night, the ghost train appears. Each time someone vanishes, and a relic is left behind, all linking back to Cole's murder. Carver's locker is trashed. A photo of his daughter is slashed. His radio hisses threats. The underworld is watching. The ghost train isn't a myth, it's a warning. Carver meets Lila, a retired MTA engineer who worked the tunnels in '95. Her hands shake as she whispers, "It's a ghost, rigged to run on dead tracks. Someone's pulling the strings." They find it the ghost train, still and waiting in the shadows. Carver boards alone. The inside is a time capsule of 1995. Faded ads, blood-stained seats, a haunted silence. Carver finds the logbook names of the guilty, dates, connections, and one voice crackles on the intercom. "You shouldn't be here, Carver." Frank Malone, presumed dead, emerges gaunt, furious. He's the conductor. The train is his courtroom, his justice. Here, he blames the system. He holds a detonator. Carver speaks of loss, of his daughter. He reaches Malone, disarms him, pulls the brake metal, screams. Tsege. The train holds inches from collapse. Malone is arrested. Logbook disappears. But names from it leak online. Scandals erupt. Resignations. Justice, finally, rises from the tracks. Carver walks away from the badge. Some say he left the city. Gah. Others say he's still down there, listening, watching, waiting for the hum of a train that shouldn't exist. This story gave you chills, like the video. Subscribe for more mysteries. And remember, some ghosts write in the dark. We just bring them to light.